as I am still housebound for the next, until I can get surgery, I'm supposed to have x-rays for my 6-week post-op checkup 3 weeks ago. Still haven't been to the hospital. Anyway, so I may as well do some hints and tips, things how you can save money. For example, rather than using things like deodorants, soaps, all these things to like wash and make yourself smell appropriate, there's this lovely invention you can get. It's quite efficient, it's quite cheap, and it's readily available. It's called a flannel. And it's the other thing you use with the flannel that can actually means you don't need deodorant. You don't need spray or other smelly things that can induce an asthma attack and damage the environment. All you need is a flannel and water. Have a little rinse. You don't need deodorant. You don't need spray. The first video I saw when I rebranded my channel with regard to like off-grid living stuff, the guy did a grab bag. I'm a Royal Marine. A third of his grab bag was dog food and doggy bags. The other things he had was things like 3 different types of deodorant. A zombie apocalypse. Are you going to care how much you smell? Really? Bit of water, flannel, have a wash.